This 2023 Forest River Salem FSX 290 RTKX Platinum is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This new Forest River is 36 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Hudson interior, sleeps 8, awning, skylight, smoke detector, water heater, spare tire kit, refrigerator, stove top burner, Colorado detector, slide-out, external shower, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Salem FSX 290 RTKX Platinum is 7,743 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.